Oh, we've got slushies again. We need these. I'm actually looking at buying one for at home, ain't I? You can get them quite cheap for at home, so I'm looking at buying one for at home. That you go, look at you. You meant to suck it through the straw.
Oh well.
And it's cooling down a bit. Yeah. Oh, I'll get this drink cool down. I'll show you around. What's here? Give a pan around. You alright, Andrew? What are you doing? Get Harvey's for me, please, mate.
Mum!
This is basically the playing field. Here comes Harvey. Wave! So Andrew's coming down, I think, and then we'll get Harvey, get some pictures at the same time. Wave. Can if you want. Blurring out, blurring out. There we go. You enjoying it so far, Harvey?
Yeah.
Just too warm, innit, mate?
Yeah.
You enjoying it? Yeah, just too warm, innit? Well, we've got certain opinions on it, which we'll tell you when we get back to site, won't we? So we'll catch you in a bit. Hello, everyone. Yes, we're back at the tent. Pink Pig Farm, honest opinion time. Right. We don't want to say we don't like it, do we?
No.
Because there is a lot for the kids to do. I mean, a lot of it's down to the heat. But basically, we thought there was a few things they could do better.
It won't do it like that.
I mean, obviously today there wasn't a lot of wind at all. It's red hot. I mean, when we come back to the car, you're talking 30 degree here today. It's very hot. There's no wind. We've even bought a paddling pool with everyone with the feet in from B&M on the way back. Because it's so warm. Gabby let us fill it up anyway. We asked her before we got back. But it was good for the kids, I would say. The only thing downfall is they could do on a hot day like this. They've got all them tables and chairs and they've all got holes in the middle. They could all at least put probably some like umbrellas on the table to give people some shade, because it's very, very hot. The indoor play area, there was no air conditioning, no fans, no nothing, so it was red hot in there, so we didn't go in there. So I didn't film, but what I did do, I got a picture from outside, so I'll add that in probably here now. So, yeah, obviously, so they could do with some fans or some aircon or something in the indoor play area when it's hot like this. Probably some, obviously, umbrellas or something on the tables for a bit of shade. But I would say the animals you've just seen on camera, that's all they had. That's all the animals they had in there. So that was a little bit disappointing. And on top of that, some of the animals look very, very hot and could do with a little bit of shelter as well. Especially sheep, we saw them basically panting quite hard, didn't we?
Yeah.
So they could do with a little bits improvement, but it is an awful lot of fun for the kids if it isn't so hot, that is. But for 40, I mean, we pay 43 quid. Is it worth that?
Really?
Definitely not. I'm sorry to say, and Pink Pig Farm, I would say this, the prices are far, far, far too high. And they don't take cash unless it's the exact amount as well. Only card payments only unless you got the exact change. So that could do with improvement quite a bit. Let's say the Pink Pig Farm could take a lot of things out of looking at probably Hall Park Farm. That one is a lot better and it's cheaper. You know, it was 43 quid at this Pink Pig Farm, which is too much money for what it is. Far too much money.
Where's my fidget spinner?
You're not allowed to feed the animals neither, which obviously might be certain reasons for that, so I'm not going to fault them for that.
The yellow one.
There was literally no smoking signs all over the place, and not really any designated smoking areas, but everybody was basically just smoking anywhere, so weren't they?
Gives that water, Harvey, please.
Even though it said no smoking, people were still smoking, so I don't know what's going on there.
No. The other one.
I can't think of anything. Nah, it's okay, but I wouldn't want to be paying 43 quid for that again. That's one thing I won't do. If it's probably 20, 30 quid, maybe I'm not paying 43 quid. Hall Farm Park's cheaper than that. For us, like, would have been about 34 quid, and there's a hell of a lot more there. A lot more. Oh, yeah, I need that. Need a drink. I can feel my throat going.
Warm.
No, lovely. That's better. So yeah, Hall Farm Park is still best, and I would actually say that Shepherd's farm here is better.
Oh, you could feed the animals.
Oh, sorry. Been doing that all day today. Pollen must be very high. No, but even that Shepherd's Farm down the road here in Haxley's even better than that one. And that was also cheaper. Oh, come on now. No, how much was Shepherd's Farm? Can you remember? 23 for 5 of us, weren't it? 23 quid. So, yeah, so that one's better than that one.
For 5, but I've worked out 23 for
yeah.
4.
The play area's bigger there as well, and the animals, there's more animal choice there. You could feed picnic area with actually like the umbrellas as well. So yeah, there's a lot more at Shepherd's Farm. Bear in mind that's a smaller place and cram more into it. So shame. Obviously the weather's put a problem on it 'cause it's just far too hot. I mean, it said on my weather map it was only meant to be about 26, 27 today, and it's easily over 30. And I was struggling to walk as well, weren't I?
Yeah.
I was in quite a bit of pain. I had to take some cocodamol. I just couldn't hack it. It's too much altogether. So that's why you didn't get much of a brilliant video from there. But maybe on the next one we will. It'll be a bit cooler. Going to plan on going Shepherd's one anyway, ain't we? So whoever hasn't seen it before when we went there, because I've videoed it, so by the time you see this you would have seen it. If not, you have to follow us to this farm we're going to. It's a nice one. So anyway, gonna love and leave you because it's boiling hot and I've been on here for 7 minutes now. Cool down and I don't know, do something. Alright, love you all. Catch you soon. Help everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Oh, I haven't done a video for a bit, have I? Last time you saw us it was daylight. No, it's pitch black. No, chilling intent, I'm watching a film now. I ended up getting an headache myself. I think it must have been the heat of today. Because weirdly, it was warm. So we had our feet in the little paddling pool that we bought. And then suddenly, a weird cloud and that came over, didn't it?
Yeah, I'm going to bed.
You go to bed. Alright, night-night. In the kiss.
Oh.
No.
Love you, night-night.
Love you, night-night. So, and then wind got up and it went a bit chilly. And then obviously after that, I ended up getting a headache. So I'm wondering if it's just because of changing the weather so quick. And then this evening, obviously, the wind stopped and back to normal again, pretty much. It's very, very strange how quick that changed. That's why we haven't done the filming, because I haven't been feeling well. We've done some washing and that as well.
Sorry, pause it a minute.
Oh, right, where was I? The weather. Very, very strange. We've had a good night. Played some once my head eased a bit, we played some snakes and ladders with Andrew. Then we were talking to a couple of people that are still down there. They come up here, having a look at the fridge and that we got. So yeah, I haven't really done a lot really, so there's nothing really to film till now. So don't know what we're doing tomorrow. Not sure. We're not going. It's meant to be another warm day tomorrow. Might get some more vlogs in. Obviously, this is what we're doing here. Obviously, we'll just be chilling if we are here, but get a few little clips here and there, can't I? We should have a load of videos anyway. So anyway, I'm going to love and leave yous now, because I'm going to watch this film and then get off to bed myself, because I'm tired from that heat, and I'm in quite a bit of pain today. My legs have been hurting, well, even my bad one. I nearly fell over today as well. I nearly twisted my ankle on my good leg, on my good one, when I was going up to see what the kids were doing at the Pink Pig farm. So yes, I nearly had another accident there. It's not been going well, has it? So obviously I'm in a bit of pain because obviously twisted myself and that. So I'm not sure what we're doing tomorrow. See what we feel, but probably just be chilling here because it's going to be too hot again. I think it's meant to be like 27, 28. Well, it's been saying 27, but the actual real temperature's been about 30, 32, I think. It's been quite warm these past few days. So anyway, don't forget, give us a subscribe. I know I say it all the time, but we want to get the channel out there and make sure, obviously, remind people to subscribe because people forget. Like, comment, we answer all the comments as well, and give it if you can. If you've got any social medias or friends, family that watch YouTube, let them know about our channel. If anybody likes camping videos and travelling around, let them know and get them over to subscribe as well. More the better. So anyway, and also just before I do go as well, like I've said before, just keep checking that you're subscribed, because YouTube are known for taking subscribers off as well, and then you haven't going to see none of the content if you're not subscribed, because you won't know when the new video is on. So just have a look, go onto our profile and it will show you if you're subscribed or not, because it will be lit up if it's not. You just push that subscribe button, it will sub you back as well. So yeah, one of them, innit? YouTube just like to be fussy. Anyway, love you all to bits. Thanks for your support. See you in the morning. Ta-da.